Greetings, YouTube. I'm back with that cool dog. And today we got a song from White Trash, one of our favorite YouTube bands with a great channel. And this one is a dedication to the Exorcist. Her head spins round and round. You love a song about an exorcist, right?
She was just a girl in a deep sea home with a Ouija board and a voice not her own. Now the lights flicker, the bed starts to shake, and the priest got moves no soul can fake. Wind is rising, temperature's low. She's levitating in a supernatural show. Mama's crying, the doctor's asleep, but the disco ball's spinning for eternity. Spin her head on the dance floor, baby. Twist and shout like the devil gone crazy. Holy water in a glitter cup, turn the volume up, that demon up. Spin her head on the dance floor, child. She's got that Zuzu style. Crosses burning, priests in flight, we're exercising all night. She's got scars, she's got sass. She's speaking Latin with disco class. Father Murray's got his collar tied, but he's grooving with the power of the light. The power of true compels you. The power of true compels you. She's got power, she's got power. Final spinning, souls are winning. Even demons can't stop this rhythm. Spin her head on the dance floor, baby. Twist and shout like the devil gone crazy. Holy water in a glitter cup, turn the volume up, that demon up. Spin her head on the dance floor, child. She's got that Zuzu style. Crosses burning, priests in flight. We're exercising all night. Dim the light. She's coming downstairs.
And that is Spin Her Head, the Exorcist-inspired song from White Trash. And you can't go wrong with a song when Pazuzu is in the lyrics. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.